everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the second week of November, that is from the 8th of November to the 14th of November 2020 has in store for the sun sign Aries. To begin with, for the Arians, the second week of November is going to be a kind of a week which is going to throw you off balance, which means there are going to be a lot of unexpected events which are kind of going to put you off balance both in your personal life and your professional life. So see to it that you're absolutely on your toes. There are going to come some kind of an unexpected unseen situations and circumstances that are also likely to make you very upset or angry or fuming, that things are kind of going very haywire and making you feel even more unsettled. But well, this is the way how the second week is going to be for the Arians, and the better, more prepared and planned you are, it is going to be more better for you. Moving on to the workspace. Thankfully, even if the entire week is going to be very unscheduled and unplanned, you will see to it that somehow you will end up ending your assignments or your projects and submitting them absolutely on time. And the reason behind this is that for particularly the second week of November, you will have a lot of your colleagues and your seniors and your co-workers really helping you at work. You will find that particularly for the second week, people will be very understanding and compassionate when you ask for help, and will readily be giving you their cooperation, due to which you will be able to put in your things or completing your projects on time at your workspace. Moving on to the area of the finances. So when the second week of November is very unpredictable, it is particularly unpredictable also in terms of unseen kind of expenses that will hit you all of a sudden without you expecting it the least. So be very careful while handling your finances for the second week of November, because it'll be like a tie. You will be actually kind of in a lot of turmoil as to where exactly your finances are to be given away, whether they have to be taken care of, which is to be kept on priority, which is to be taken care of later. So there's going to be a lot of turmoil and a lot of tugging and pulling that is going to be happening. Nothing that is going to be beyond your control. Again, the cards advise you to be very well planned. Set your priorities in your head and then go ahead with the financial expenditures in such a way that they suffice you at the end of the month. You are able to meet the unexpected demands and yet not feel very flustered at the thought of it. Moving on to the section of relationships. Yes, the Arians for the second week of November 2020 are very lucky ones, because in amidst of all this chaos and unexpected happenings, you will find a lot of meaning and a lot of loving support of your own loved ones, due to which there is a possibility they might share your workload. There is a possibility you could be helped financially. There is a possibility that though you will be facing all these things throughout the second week of November, you won't feel as if you're the only one or you're the alone person handling everything. You will be very well supported, well taken care of, which obviously makes things very easy for you. When it comes to matters of the health, the happenings of the second week are definitely going to throw you off balance, but then they are also going to affect your sleep patterns very deeply. So see to it that for the entire second week of November 2020, your sleep patterns are extremely well timed. See to it that you sleep at a particular time. See to it that you get up at a particular time. Otherwise, if these sleep patterns get disturbed, they will be then difficult to be handled by you, eventually spilling down to the third week. So particularly for the second week of November, see to it that you are very careful about your sleeping patterns. Also, you are careful about your emotional eating. So in the second week, there is a possibility you might either overeat, you might not eat at all. Your eating timings may go for a toss, and again that will affect your sleeping patterns. So see to it that you be very balanced, very well prepared in advance, and especially very careful when it comes to time management for the entire second week of November 2020. Here's wishing you a very beautiful week ahead.